Eric is doing some skip trowel texturing. I'm always impressed with this. It's just really cool to watch. Sometimes you see faces and people and animals in these textures. It's so much more interesting, I think. So that was my day, watching Joe fix the Model A.
It was almost ready.
Yeah, it was almost ready. Now it is. He replaced the radiator with the other members of the club, a new distributor, a new wheel stud because it was stripped. You have to have a special grinding machine and a 30-ton press to put a new stud in, and all kinds of things that not your backyard mechanic can do.
Yeah. You get paid to do something.
Yeah. It's getting windy out there.
Yeah.
People come and go.
I don't know that this process could ever be replaced with a robotic person. So Eric returned and applied another layer of skip trowel texturing. And wow, what a difference this makes. You can see it and really appreciate it while it's still damp. Big difference. Really happy with this.